Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Minute, where I'll be showing you how to install the all-new Dongar PRO Plus on your Toyota. The vehicle we have here is a 2024 Toyota Venza with an auto-dimming rearview mirror. If you don't have an auto-dimming mirror on your Venza or RAV4, check out my other video on how to access the hidden connector port. Since this vehicle is equipped with an auto-dimming mirror, let's go ahead and remove the plastic shroud. We'll start by tilting down the mirror and popping the smaller piece down. To remove the bigger panel, simply push down and away from you. With the shroud removed, we see a few connectors. The one we need for this installation is the one seen here. Let's grab our Dongar PRO Plus wiring harness. You'll notice the module is quite a bit different from their Classic and Dongar Pro models. The Classic is simple. Your dashcam powers on and off with the vehicle. Dongar Pro takes it to a new level. It powers your dashcam using 3 different modes: ignition, timed, or infinity. And finally, the Dongar PRO Plus, which goes another step forward. This takes all of the offerings of the Dongar Pro and makes it customizable. This means you'll have the ability to adjust timer durations, voltage cutoff, screen timeout, various data displays, see how much power a connected device is pulling, and manage power output levels in different modes. There's seriously a lot of cool features built into this little thing, and I'll have to make a whole nother video on that, so let's just continue with the installation. Let's disconnect the harness by pushing it on the tab and pulling the connector straight out. We'll then take our Dongar adapter and install this end into the vehicle's connector port, this end to the vehicle harness, and this end into the Dongar module. Now that we know our unit is receiving power, let's go ahead and tidy up the cables and reassemble the plastic shroud. I'm going to attach the Dongar module right here, and then attach my dashcam to the windshield. And just like that, we are done. So if you're interested in one of these dashcam adapters, check out Dongar Technologies. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button or subscribe for more content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.